back to Shree Learning Academy. Today we are focusing on deception and disruption techniques. Quick reminder, if you are interested in private training, we are here to support you. Just message us on WhatsApp. Now let's dive in. In the world of cybersecurity, there are many tools and techniques designed to protect the computer systems and networks from hackers and other bad actors. Some of these tools have names like Honeypots, Honeynets, Honeyfiles, and Honeytokens. These tools might sound unusual, but they are very important. They help organizations learn about attackers, distract them from the real system, and spot potential dangers. Let's explore what each of these tools is and how they work. Honeypots. Imagine you have a treasure chest, but instead of holding precious gems, it's filled with fake jewels. This chest is your honeypot, a server deliberately left vulnerable to attract the attackers. Just like a spider's web entices unsuspecting insects, a honeypot entices hackers, diverting their attention away from the real treasure that is the live network. For example, picture a web server loaded with bogus data, like fake user credentials or dummy files. To an attacker, it looks like a gold mine, but in reality, it's a trap. Honeypot serves as intelligence gathering tools, and by observing the attackers interacting with the honeypot, security experts can learn about their methods and potentially discover new vulnerabilities or zero-day exploits, security flaws unknown to the public. Honeynets. Now imagine not just one treasure chest, but an entire room filled with them. This room is your honeynet, a network of interconnected honeypots designed to mimic a live network. Like a stage set for a play, it looks real, but is entirely controlled. For example, within a physical server, there are virtual servers acting as honeypots. Each one presents itself as a potential target, deceiving the attackers into believing they have hit the jackpot. The purpose? Honeynets serve multiple purposes. They not only divert attacks away from the real network, but also provide a more comprehensive view of attackers' behaviors across various entry points. It's akin to implementing the strategies of Sun Tzu, ancient Chinese military strategies, by deceiving the enemy and gaining valuable insights in the process. Honeyfiles. Now let's downsize from treasure chest to single jewels. A honeyfile is like a shiny ornament strategically placed to attract the attention. It's a file with an enticing name designed to deceive and distract the attackers. For example, consider a file named password.txt sitting innocently on a server. It's like a neon sign for hackers, tempting them to take a peek inside. So by planting honeyfiles within a network, security teams can monitor and track the suspicious activities. And when an attacker takes the bait, it alerts defenders to potential threats, allowing them to take necessary actions to secure the network. Honeytokens. Finally, let's talk about honeytokens, the breadcrumbs left behind to catch a thief. These are fake pieces of data strategically placed within a system to detect the unauthorized access or data theft. For example, imagine a production database filled with legitimate records but sprinkled with fake entries. And if someone tries to steal the data, they might unwittingly take these honeytokens, revealing their malicious intent. Honeytokens acts as an early warning systems alerting the organizations to unauthorized access or data breaches. And by detecting these anomalies, security teams can respond swiftly, mitigating the potential damage and strengthening the defenses. So in conclusion, honeypots, honeynets, honeyfiles, and honeytokens play crucial roles in defending against the malicious actors. By understanding and employing these tools effectively, organizations can gather valuable intelligence, divert the attacks, and enhance their overall security posture. Just as a clever trap ensnares its prey, these cybersecurity concepts help defenders stay one step ahead of cyber threats, safeguarding the valuable assets and data from harm. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are looking for more personalized training, contact us on WhatsApp. We offer a range of theoretical and practical courses starting at just $99. You can also find a written explanation and a quiz on our website, link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one.